Now let's read about the non-Brahmin movements. That is, those movements which were led by the low caste people and whose aim, desire was to attack the Brahmin society, and they believed that they were the ones responsible for creating all the discriminations and hatred amongst the Indian society. Then the next one as we have to see is Ramaswamy Naikar, who was popularly called as Periyar. Interestingly, in the beginning he was an ascetic himself and he had read the Hindu scriptures and he was a great follower and leader of the Hindu scripts. Later on he joined the Congress to fight for the freedom movement, but left it because he saw that in the Congress also there was caste distinction. That is, the people were seated according to the caste in the sessions of the Congress. And from here onwards he became against the caste system, the associations, the scriptures which all laid stress on the sanctity of the caste system in India. Like Ambedkar had started with the temple entry movement, he started with the self-respect movement. That is, he told the low caste people that they must have self-respect about themselves, and he said that actually the original inhabitants of India, the Tamils or the Dravidians, are the real Indians and the Aryans have to be thrown out. And it is because of the Aryans that the society is getting deteriorated. He was against Manu, the lawgiver of the Hindu religion, against the Gita, against the Ramayana, because he believed that these were giving sanction to the caste system in India. Now, when he was giving so much of food for thought to the people, then there was thinking and rethinking amongst the low caste people who also joined various movements and struggled hard to get about self-respect for themselves.